I didn't have tickets for that, so I didn't.
Oh, Deputy Laura, I brought you something. It was free.
Yay!
You know, I do the book fest thing. So they always, I know you love Whataburger, and they always give out free Whataburger tickets at the booths. So, and there's a Whataburger coloring book.
Guess what I had for dinner last night, Rich?
What?
Whataburger.
Oh, hey. Well, enjoy the coloring book.
Thank you.
All right. Eric Cepeda. Tavares Warren, custody. Thank you. Rafael Rodriguez. Oh my gosh, that's bad luck. I rolled my R's. Michael Balderas. Antonio Carrizales.
President, Your Honor.
Thank you. Corrales. See, thank you for correcting me. Other people don't do that. I'm like, how else will I learn? Akira Santiago. Yes. And I've signed all the paperwork on that. Keith Thompson, custody. Samuel Tabler, custody or Tabler. Mark Anthony Guerrero. Mark Anthony Guerrero. Eddie Dacey. Eddie Lee Dacey. That may have been reset, I'm not sure. Ethan Martinez. Ethan Andres Martinez. Brad Juarez. Thank you. Yitzin Joseph. How do you pronounce your first name? Yes. Layla Vasquez. Layla Marie Vasquez. Angela Williams, custody. Jose Salazar. Thank you. Buna Taylor. Thank you. Christopher Givens, custody. Victor Quiñones, custody. Wes Freeze. Nija Turner. Michael Marshall, custody. Corinne Evangelista. All right, thank you. I don't know why dismissed things keep appearing on the docket.
It came up before, Judge, it came up, it was dismissed a week ago when we were doing our docket.
All right, Armando de la Cruz. Armando Montana de la Cruz. Yeah, I think that may have been reset as well. Daniel Bustos. I'm sorry, Daniela Bustos. Daniela Iris Bustos. Layla Vasquez. Nicholas Vaquera. Nicholas Vaquera.
Your Honor, I think that for defense are gonna be here, that's for third party's motion.
Oh, third party has a motion to quash?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm the in-house counsel for the Archdiocese of San Antonio, representing Christ Council. And so I have conferred with counsel a couple of weeks ago. And you follow motion to quash.
Oh, is it for records or something? Ah, okay. See, this doesn't say on here. I thought it was a motion to quash the indictment. And I'm like, a third party is doing that?
Oh, no.
Okay, all right, thank you. All right. Javier Herrera. Christopher Morrison. Christopher Morrison. And could y'all make sure I have that mandate because I haven't seen it. Diamond Garcia, custody.
I'm sorry, Judge, Christopher Morrison may be on Zoom. He doesn't live here.
Okay. Robert Barnett, custody. Andrea Macedo, custody. Eunice Gonzalez, Carl Robinson, custody. Margaret Dela Cruz Garza. Margaret Dela Cruz Garza. All right. Louis Thompson, Alejandra Almanza, sorry. Lindsay Hernandez. Lindsay Hernandez, custody. All right, anyone who came in later, your name was not called? All right, guys, these are the rules. Attorneys, you're not ready to approach me if you have not conferred with the state and conferred with your client. If your client is in custody, yes, they need to be called out. Once you've requested your client, please do not leave the courtroom. For security reasons, only a limited number of inmates can be in the box. If your client speaks in a language other than English, we'll need to call the interpreter. Please let the court coordinator, the clerk know. When you're ready to approach, let's approach the court coordinator and the clerk, let them know, and I will call you up in order of appearance. Somebody's going to jury trial today. It's the jury trial after fiesta. So we're gonna move through things quickly, and if all of the rules are followed, everything should flow smoothly. If they're not, this is gonna be a Monday on steroids. So everyone, please confer. All right, Deborah St. Heinrich, you wanted to approach on Jenna Davila?
I have no idea. She's.
Hello.
Hey, Judge.
Yes, how's it going?
Good morning, happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
Ms. Davila, I spoke with her doctor on Friday.
Mhm.
She is being moved into hospice care.
Okay.
Stage 4 is, they're still trying to do some treatments on her, but it's basically, it ain't going anywhere.
Well, let
The
me
last,
do this.
the last letter I had was on January the 30th, I believe. And that's where they verified that she does have stage 4 metastatic cancer.
All right, so let me ask you, are you,
I'm trying to get the state to just.
yeah, so if you'll talk to them,
Yeah,
let's see if this can be taken care of today. It probably will be.
yeah, I'm just wanting to let the court know that she's not here this week. And that's the reason why I was checking to see if she could come in.
Yeah.
And it wasn't the
Oh,
doctor
no.
I spoke with, it was actually her home health care nurse that was
So,
there. that was giving her
Rivera, I
her
know he's not
meds.
here right now.
She's doing hospice at home.
Yeah,
The
she doesn't
emails
need
have been
I
going
just
back and
moved
forth.
Sure.
you aware.
And if need be, we can set this off for 4 years.
Okay, well, I just
Yeah.
wanted to give you,
Yeah, no.
as a
the next
courtesy
step
to the
would be
court,
if you
being respectful to the court's time.
Oh, thank you so much. All
I thank
Okay.
you, I appreciate it.
right, thank you. All
I'll let you know as soon as I speak with the
right, thank
state.
you. Hi, how's it going?
Approach?
Yes,
It's good to see you.
you too.
Hi, Jeff.
Hi.
We currently have one of your participants for the mental health court.
Mhm.
He's in custody
Okay, Akira was on here. Who's the attorney for Akira? Hi, she was on the Zoom, but she's dropped off. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, she's back. I'm gonna put her in the breakout room and we'll go from there.
Yes, sir.
And so I'm just waiting for her to be sworn in. I've already signed all the paperwork that came on my end.
Yes, sir.
All right, Miss Santiago. Hi, I'm gonna send you to breakout room, number 1.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the back to go swear her in.
And then clerk will come in to swear you in. Okay.
He's on page 3 now.
Yes.
Hi, Judge. I'm not sure where Mr. Guerrero is right now. I'm gonna get in touch with him, get him here, soon. He's been pretty good about showing up for his court dates, so
Okay.
not sure about that. But, the mental health court has been going back and forth, and it seems like he's been accepted into the program, but there's not really an offer yet. I'm not sure what the next step is for him once we get him here. They asked me if he had insurance for his misdemeanor case. I was gonna talk to him about that today. But just wanna make sure.
All right, show this to the state and see if they have any objections to resetting this.
Okay.
And then you'll need to reach out to your client and reach out to mental health court about
separately.
seeing what the next step is.
Gotcha.
So just talk to them, see if they have any objection.
Thank you, Judge.
No worry.
Be back. I need to sign in.
Yes, please. Dick it.
Yeah, Mark Rowe for September entry, looks like 95% of the program coming much far.
Bashan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Judge, so he's literally 3 all this time.
Okay.
And we are just asking, we're just asking that Mr. Morrison continue to report and abide by the conditions that were set forth.
Okay.
I don't know that if we need to do anything further.
No, we don't.
Um,
Let me just put this in the system.
continue to report and
All right. Morrison?
Yes.
All right, so your case was affirmed by the Court of Appeals. So just continue with probation. Do you have any questions, any issues, any concerns about your probation?
I filed a motion. I didn't know if it was too late. I'm planning on attending college and I just need to travel to job hunt and house hunt. Class starts less than a month from the time the probation is over. And so I didn't know if filing a motion, I did it online on the e-file. Yeah, I didn't know if that was worth doing or not.
Just 1 second. You're on probation out of state, correct? At least you're
Yes, ma'am.
supervised out of state. Did
Yep.
you, yes, Rashawn?
So on the original terms of probation, he's supposed to be off probation in July
Mhm.
of this year.
Has he completed everything?
Yes.
All right, well, see if the state has any objection to early termination, then that will solve your problem. Oh, he's frozen. Oh, you're there? All right.
I'm here.
Yes.
Can you just ask him to hold? Put him in a wait room?
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Just give us a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, Judge. The state doesn't have any objection resetting this case right now.
all right. Norma,
Yes, sir.
on Mark Guerrero, if you can set this to mid-May, please.
Yes, sir. I can be May 21st.
That sounds fine.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much. Do you have a recycling or trash can right next to you?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Anyone else ready?
Yes, I have a Javier. Herrera, page 8 to down, but that's the probation. I don't know if it's. Orlando Montaña de la Cruz.
All right, just give me a moment. Hello,
There you are.
hi. California?
Okay, Judge, so we were here, I believe it was last month or so, and we had some concerns that Mr. Herrera was not being active or had not been enrolled in his treatment.
Mhm.
And he reported to the court. He was waiting to get his identification.
Mhm.
He was going to be enrolled. He got a job. I mean, he was gonna get a job, all of that good stuff. Happy to report, he did get his ID. He did get a job. He is enrolled in treatment and has been going to treatment. This coming Thursday will be his third round of treatment. He is reporting as he should. So he's on track now, Judge.
Okay. All right,
And
awesome.
then,
Very busy 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Nonstop, Your Honor.
and then, when he was in court the last time, Judge, you did give him permission to relocate to
Yes.
Colorado.
Yes.
And he still wants to do that. Our only concern is he's in treatment now. When he does relocate to Colorado, we would like to put, he needs to be enrolled in treatment again within 30 days of actually being there.
Yes, and we can add that to conditions. So you need to be enrolled in treatment within 30 days, once you're in Colorado, okay? Once your probation is transferred there. Okay.
How will I know when the probation transfer?
So we will work on the transfer. In order for us to do that, we need to know like where you're gonna be living and all of that stuff first.
I'm working on that too.
Okay, yeah, so as
Thank
soon as you
you.
give us that information, we can.
Busy 3 weeks.
Okay. And you did it all during Fiesta. I'm proud.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you. Who's next?
Judge, we have a apartment. I got the paperwork ready for her. I don't know what you want.
Well, have a,
It's a empty.
oh,
So I already stamped it for reason. Yeah.
all right. Robert Burnett, are you all ready?
You need the.
Oh. You all not gonna have any objections to my reviewing it?
No, Judge.
All right, are the parties ready on Robert Burnett?
Ready, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 0000166 State versus Robert Burnett. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Jay Moritz, Your Honor, for Mr. Barnett.
And are you Mr. Barnett?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Barnett, did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney?
ma'am.
All right, and what I can tell you is, this supplement was filed today. Defense, do you have any objections?
No, Judge, it
to
just
lack of
modifies.
notice?
No, Judge, it just modifies the dates and not reporting.
All right. And Mr. Barnett, are you the same Robert Dillon Barnett who was placed on deferred adjudication 2025 CR 0000166 for the offense of credit card or debit card abuse on May 27, 2025 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 24th day of September 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Robert Dillon Barnett, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Violated condition number 4, in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Robert Dillon Barnett, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of October and November 2025 in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State will waive their remaining violation.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Judge, no objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 2 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of conditions 2 and 4? Court will find violations of conditions 2 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, there is a proposed agreement to grant state's motion and enter an adjudication of guilt. With an an overlaying of 2 years, 2 over 3, and then alternate amend conditions to add the 30 days GPS in a tab evaluation.
All right, so why would you follow this agreement? He's been missing.
It was, he's been on parole, he's been reporting. The parole officer is gonna be removing or withdrawing or what is he gonna
I was supposed to discharge us.
discharge last week?
But I mean, I don't understand why he hasn't been reporting for this probation. That's why I don't know why I should follow this agreement. He hasn't been present. You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Robert Barnett.
All right, so, and counsel, do you want him to answer these questions?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so why have you not been reporting?
Just, I was helping my grandma, she was home here. I talked to her and just, everything I was doing just became a lot selfish, just got off track a little bit.
But I don't know why you didn't pick up the phone and call somebody. Did you pick up the phone and call somebody and tell them you have issues?
But, well, my probation officer did know about that. She did know about that. My grandmother, helped my grandmother and shit. It just got overwhelming with it.
Mhm. Probation, is there any restitution owed in this case?
No, sir.
All right, and this issue with his grandmother, do you have knowledge of that, counsel?
He had mentioned it to me, Judge, but I do not have anything to verify.
All right, where's the verification?
I know, you can call her or anything, her name's Kathy Mood. I got a number.
Well, your attorney can talk with her. All right, once you talk with her, I mean, if you want to call her today, then I'll come back with my decision.
Okay, well, you wanna me to try right now, or you have a number for us?
You wanna do?
Oh, no, y'all can go talk over there. Who's next?
Not knowing yet.
May I approach?
Yes.
We've spoken with the state. They don't want to dismiss, so we're just gonna need a reset.
Okay,
And I don't think she's competent to take a plea at this time because of the medications that she's under.
all right, Norma. On Davila,
Yes.
reset this for September.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate you.
Okay, thank you.
Remember, I can do the.
Put it towards the end.
The end, I can do the 29th.
There you go. Jay Chief, you welcome. What were we signing for?
No, she's on.
No. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful week. Be safe, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Judge.
Sure, have a good one. All right, who's next?
We're just waiting on police judge to. Yes, go ahead. Okay, I have here, Akira Santiago.
Yes.
I printed out, a certificate, but I don't have their, discovery. Or.
All right, I did the,
It should be in there. I printed out what was given to me from by Brandon and let me know.
I signed it. Who are the parties on Akira Santiago? If y'all can, just reprint out a discovery acknowledgement. It's somewhere in the ether. It's lost in the time-space continuum. Oh, everyone, we have it now. Oh, no, we still don't have the discovery.
Did you have the paperwork that is on the discovery?
Yeah, we have everything. We just need the discovery. All right. Thank you. All right, while they're doing the discovery, Akira Santiago, please. Yes. Santiago, you need to unmute and start video. Thank you. Court is calling 2025 CR 012571, State versus Akira Santiago. Can I have parties announce?
Sandra Gonzalez for the state.
Jared Horton.
I can't hear.
Oh, are you still not able to hear? All right, just 1 second.
Should be able to.
Are you still unable to hear?
It's on her side. You heard me just fine over here, Judge.
Okay. All right, let me just tell her this. All right, she's gonna log out and log back in, and hopefully that will fix the problem for her.
Is your audio on this side on Twitch?
Yes.
Not the mic, the computer one.
Oh, no, the computer is not supposed to be on, but she heard me before.
Oh, okay.
And she heard me when I asked her, she can hear us, but, well, no, she can't hear us, but she heard me before when I asked her to unmute, so we shall see. Yes.
Have an update.
All right.
Would you like me to bring?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. All right, we're back on the record in 2025 CR 166, State versus Robert Burnett. Counsel, you have an update?
Yes, Your Honor, I was able to get all the mom, the grandmother does not answer the phone. I got a hold of the mom. Mom's name is,
Richard Robinson.
is Richard Robertson. The mom has, I have the phone number I called, 314-536-3563. She verified for me that the grandmother has stage 4 cervical cancer. She can't drive or barely even walk around. He has been helping her and staying with her. They're trying another treatment, but it's terminal and they do not know how much longer it's going to last. Catherine, his mom, Mood, she is out of town and trying to get down to help while hoping that, you know, if he can't get out, that she needs to get somebody there to help out. So that is, the mom broke down on the phone, and very tragic situation.
All right, this is what the court is going to do.
Oh, Judge, the grandmother lives here in San.
All right, the court is finding violation of conditions 2 and 4 true. The court is going to grant the motion, revoke, and sentence him to 90 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Give credit for any time served, and there should be no contact with Brittany Pettis. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is based upon the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And defense, you'll need to see what his credit is through the clerk.
Yes, Judge, I'll check that out.
And does he have any credit for any inpatient?
No, Judge.
Okay. All right. Good luck to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll go back there and check.
There's no one in the back there.
Oh.
Sure. I'll be right with you.
Okay.
Yes.
Just wanted to give you an update for the party's motion to quash. Austin Hagan, who's representing the defendant, Mr. McCary, is going to be appearing via Zoom, if that's okay with the court.
Yes.
So whenever he logged in, we can proceed with the motion.
All right. Thank you. All right. Miss Santiago.
I can hear now.
All right. Thank you. All right. The court is calling 2025 CR 012571. State versus Akira Santiago. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Cassandra Rosales for the state.
Jared Horton for the defendant.
And are you Miss Santiago?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Consent to Appear by Video for a Plea with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you electronically sign it?
I did.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to appear in person and has consented to appear by video conference for a plea. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. All right, do y'all have the? All right, it's gonna be a Monday. All right, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. We're proceeding on the lesser included of robbery.
All right, and just give me a moment. Let me pull up the indictment. Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, why isn't this opening? Did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and electronically sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of robbery. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Santiago, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of robbery. There's a $1,000 fine probated, and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and electronically sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of Ms. Santiago. Thank you. Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. The state offers State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
No
Any
objection.
objections?
No objection.
All right, state, have you spoken with the complainant?
Yes.
All right, thank you. You may be excused.
And Judge, I do have the discovery.
Thank you. All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and electronically sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. We're just asking that you follow the plea agreement and all recommendations of the state.
All right. So what were you thinking with this, Miss Santiago?
I just wanted out of it. I really did. I wanted to go home.
You know, this could have easily been different.
Yes, ma'am.
And you place yourself in danger by doing this. Do you understand?
I do.
Do you have any children?
I have 2 children.
And what are their ages?
One and the other one is a newborn.
All right. And are you currently in Bear County?
No, ma'am, I'm in Arkansas.
Okay. What county?
Pulaski.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Pulaski.
Is that Pulaski?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking for your probation to be transferred there?
I am.
All right. Transferred to Pulaski County in Arkansas, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Are you currently employed?
I'm not.
All right, proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. If they have field visits there, field visits 1 time per month for 5 months. 4 years deferred adjudication. There's a $1,000 fine that will be probated. There should be no contact with the complainant. That's Martin Pian. There should be 200 hours community service restitution. 50 of those hours are deemed satisfied after a completion of, what is the course? All right, AIDS awareness course. Another 50 hours will be deemed satisfied. I'm going to order the MRT. The remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied upon completion of parenting classes. Probation, is there anything else?
No, sir.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're on deferred adjudication. So from here on out, anything that you do, if you think it could result in your being revoked, do not do it. If the answer you think, maybe I can be revoked for this, maybe not, don't do it. Because if you are brought up on a motion to revoke, you're looking at anywhere from 2 to 20 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. I'm going to send you to a breakout room. Probation will go over your conditions with you there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, counsel, is there anything else?
Judge, real quick, she's been on house arrest while she's on bond. Is that lifted today?
You need to talk to probation and see if they have any objections. If they have no objections, then it'll be lifted. You need to talk to them now, so probation will know.
Okay.
Talk to the state.
I'm sorry, talk to the state and then talk to probation and let them know, okay? All right,
Am I
thank you.
excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, who's next? Is there an application on this one?
There is, yes, Judge.
All right, let's wait on that because probation, so are they in agreement or no?
No. So
Okay.
Judge, the state is not in agreement with early termination. I think the main concern that the state had was that one of his, which ADA Galloway told me was one of the conditions of his term was for him to be actively involved in treatment through the VA. So that's what her concern is. She does say that she doesn't have any quorums about letting him travel to do whatever he needed to do. However, I do want to make note that Mr. Morrison has an update for the court in regards to his treatment and other things that he has been working on.
All right, Mr. Morrison, you have an update for me?
Yes, ma'am. I am the veteran service officer of my county here in Spencer County, Indiana. I help veterans navigate the VA system. I am involved in treatment with the VA, and I also helped found a nonprofit called Veterans of Perry County, where we help veterans and do peer counseling through substance abuse and mental health crisis. The county sheriff and city chief of police has my number in their phone. I respond when veterans are in crisis, and I help here in the community veterans that are like myself going through crisis. My goal is to go to college in August. I plan on pursuing a career. I've kind of been inspired by this, and I want to represent people in a court of law.
Okay. All right, just give me one moment, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Morrison,
Yes, ma'am.
there's an attorney who's going to meet with you in the breakout room. He's going to help navigate for you or navigate with you what the court is expecting in order to consider your early termination. It's attorney Renee Munoz. So if you'll go to
Okay.
breakout room number 1, and he will meet you there shortly in breakout room number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, anyone else ready?
Keep working on it, please, Judge.
And then you all have your motion to quash. Let me read this. All right, and who's asking for these records?
The city is here. He sets out.
All right. All right, Ashley,
Yes, Your Honor.
on this motion, bring Austin Hagen. He needs to appear in person.
And Your Honor, if we could maybe just have one moment, Rick was upstairs talking to appeals to see if we can revamp anything.
Oh, well, I mean, I'm going to tell y'all what I'm ordering to be revamped. Like Austin Hagen.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you need to appear in person to because the state is requesting these records.
Mhm.
So you'll have to appear in person, and you all need to make a date where everybody can be here in person.
Okay. It's not our motion to quash, Your Honor, but yeah, we can be in person. We can find a date that works.
And then what I can tell you all, it appears to be overly broad. You can't ask for everybody's records from the time they were a child till now if it has absolutely nothing to do with this. And then what I can tell you, counsel, is they're going to be entitled to some records.
I understand
Right.
that.
And I will be more than willing to do an in-camera inspection of the records. But you all can't ask for everybody's records from the time they were born till now. So,
So, Your Honor, I do have the records for this young lady. She did start treatment with Grace Counseling and seeing a physical therapist for at least the last, I think.
means you're asking for every single record. If y'all want to go to
Happy to submit another subpoena.
appeals, y'all can go to appeals, but I'm telling you right now, you don't get everybody's records from time immemorial.
And if I may, Your Honor, the reason that we have filed a motion to quash, I understand the complainant victim, the concern.
Okay, perfect. We'll go ahead and do that. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Oh, if you'll talk with Ms. Ferguson so we can fit a time frame
Sure.
in your schedule.
Absolutely.
All right,
I
thank you.
understand this case is set for trial on Thursday.
Mhm.
We can certainly come back tomorrow or Wednesday.
Sure.
Okay. Do we agree with that? Well, can I think it's approved for this should occur? I don't know when the date she pushes it a little bit. That would be the fun. If she started, you say that the hour gets everything she's still saying.
Ready for a reset. Here.
So.
Whenever you're ready.
From that. Very first appointment starts. Yeah. And I gave her all that. So let me, when I get back from that.
Well, I was supposed to, may I approach real quick on this one again, what
Yes.
Greg just did? I'm sorry.
All right, I tell you what, you all can be back here at 1:30. Mr. Hagan, you need to be in court at 1:30, and I'll have reviewed these.
Wonderful.
All right,
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay.
All right, who's next?
Eric Cepeda, Judge, she's on page 1 at the bottom.
Eric Cepeda. Good morning. Hi.
See everyone.
All right, so today is final discovery day.
Judge, I believe discovery is complete. I've not received any additional discovery in this case, and everything that I have, I've turned over to them. I don't believe there's anything outstanding at this point, Judge.
All right, and offer has already been tendered.
An offer was made today, Judge.
That's correct, John.
All right, and how old are you? 18?
Yes, ma'am.
Norma, reset this for the beginning of June for a plea deadline date. And I'm giving you extra time because of your age, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, I can do that on June 8th.
All right, so June 8th is going to be your plea deadline day. All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse.
Thank you very much, John.
You're welcome.
Okay.
And is it the same answer with Monreal?
But regarding.
Okay, and you'll be able to make that offer today? All right, thank you.
Oh.
Let's wait for back time.
And state, is it your intention, you are not trying these cases together, are you? Okay. And Bashan, let me know when you're ready. Oh, okay. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 007571 State versus Tabaris Warren Jr.
Include the rehab, right? There's a rehab.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, how's it going?
Good morning. Thank you.
Where's your client?
He is in.
I'll come down, please.
I told him not to move until the bailiffs told him to move.
Court is calling 2025 CR 007571 State versus Tabaris Warren. Can I have parties announced?
Cassandra Rosales for the state.
Here, memoriam for Mr. Warren, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Warren? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Warren, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
No.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Just a second, sorry. That goes down.
Thank you.
All right, on this one, can I have an app, can I have the indictment, please?
Yes, ma'am, I will just ask you.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000 as a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from anywhere from 180 days to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea, you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. You need to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Warren, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's $1,000 fine probated and state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, and the felony theft course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Offense.
State any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 in the attachment.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation, testimony, and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
The only thing is we respectfully ask the court to follow the plea bargain agreement.
All right. And what happened to the person who bought this item from him? Did they get their money back? State, do you know if the third party who bought the item from him received their money back? It says he sold it on Facebook Marketplace. Okay. All right, why are you doing this? No, I mean the defendant. Why? Thank you. Why? Why are you taking a rental item, then selling it to somebody else?
I was
I mean, you have to know because you took time out to put it on Facebook Marketplace.
actually I was told for being hired so much for a job.
All right, I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I was being hired for a job at first, but
All right, everyone, please whisper. Yes.
I was told that I was being hired for a job, so I had to buy the merchandise. So I didn't know what was going on behind closed doors. So I honestly don't know.
No, I don't understand your story. It doesn't sound truthful. You're hired by somebody to do what?
I was told it was for a job, right? So
What was for a job?
buying the merchandise, we was going to do it for a job, but I don't know what was going on behind closed doors when I went home. So I don't know what was being sold on Facebook. I didn't send it on Facebook. I just went.
No, it says you sold it on Facebook, and it says in the police report that the police called you trying to get this item back, and then you hung up on them.
No, I talked with the rental center and I explained what was going on to them, and they told me they were gonna give me a chance to, I said, make payments on it. I never talked to them again.
Yeah, I don't know why you would go to a rental place and say you're buying something because they rent this equipment. That doesn't make any sense.
Right, yes, wow.
Do you have any children?
No, ma'am. No, Your Honor.
When's the last time you had employment?
Currently. Currently, right now,
Doing what?
PGW Auto Glass.
I'm sorry, what?
Auto Glass.
What does that mean?
I deliver for PGW Auto Glass. It's a
Okay.
company.
And do you live by yourself or with someone?
By myself, now.
All right. Court is going to give you 4 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, $1,000 fine that'll be probated. 100 hours of community service restitution. How far did you go in school?
High school diploma.
There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. 100 hours will be deducted for completion of the felony theft course. The remaining 100 hours will be deducted if he decides to obtain a trade school certification or some higher level of education. There's to be proof of employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else? Thank you. Regular random UAs.
Nothing else, Judge.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this, Ms. Abrams, add no possession of firearms, please. All right, and there's to be no possession of firearms. All right, we're off the record. Here's the thing. You can't take what doesn't belong to you. Otherwise, you end up maybe in a felony court. You're on deferred adjudication. What does that mean? That means if you successfully complete everything, this case will be dismissed. If for any reason there's a motion to revoke that is filed, you're looking at potentially going to the state jail facility for up to 2 years and up to a $10,000 fine. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Judge Mayvick, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a seat, sir.
All right, Michael Marshall. Court is calling 2026 CR 001103 State versus Michael Marshall. Can I have parties announced for the record?
For the state.
Renee Munoz on behalf of Mr. Marshall.
And are you Mr. Marshall?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Marshall, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of count 1 and waiving the remainder of the enhancement allegation language on the indictment.
No objection, Your Honor.
And count 2 is waived also?
Yes, Judge.
Also no objection.
All right. Mr. Marshall, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
The state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted obstruction or retaliation as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Do you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
No.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
That is correct, Judge.
Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 8 months in the state jail facility. There's an $800 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense and state?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense under count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers states Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states Exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing the same, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty of the lesser included offense, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We're asking the court to follow the negotiated plea bargain agreement. My client's life has not been without its struggles, but we have identified certain triggers and root causes that has led him back into the criminal justice system. And we're hopeful that after he satisfies his time with the credit that is applied, he'll seek out avenues for help and use those tools to stay out of custody and out of jail.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 8 months in the state jail facility. There's an $800 fine, time and money to run concurrently, give you credit for any time served, and the court will request the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
54.
All right, so here's the thing. You lived a lot of your life in custody. If you want that to change, you're gonna have to make some changes in your life. So when you're released from custody, you need to go to an inpatient treatment facility, because I see that a lot of this is related to intoxication and other things that are happening. If you don't do that, only two things going to end up happening. Either you're going to wind up in prison or in jail, or either somebody's going to end up identifying your body. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's next?
It is Turner on page 6 down, Judge.
Nigel Turner.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Yeah, that's a little.
Who's here on Lindsay Hernandez?
Good morning.
Good morning. So how are you feeling after the draft?
Not so great.
Yeah, it's like, yeah,
Yeah, it was a weird draft.
honestly, and I think the draft is becoming more of just, we're here for a fashion show. Did you know that, I didn't realize it, you know, Jamie Gertz
Mhm.
owns, like, her and her husband own part of teams and everything. So it's like, wow.
Didn't know that.
Yes.
Angela,
Oh,
will you?
well, you know,
Well, she chose well, right?
yeah, well, no,
He chose well.
he did, because actually it was her seeing the ability to make deals and then starting these companies, yeah. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 6058, State versus Lindsay Hernandez. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Roberto Ambrosino for the defense.
All right, and are you Ms. Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilty and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Lindsay Hernandez who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 6058 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on May 22nd, 2025 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 18th day of March 2026 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Lindsay Lorraine Hernandez, did then and there submit an invalid sample for drug testing in that the sample submitted was diluted in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
Violated condition number 41, on or about the 10th day of April 2026 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Lindsay Lorraine Hernandez, did then and there fail to comply with the rules and regulations of felony drug court in that she refused DDRF residential treatment as ordered by the court in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
State will waive the remaining allegations.
Any objection?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 2 and 41, the court can find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 2 and 41?
Yes.
Court will find 2 and 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt, revoke and sentence to 16 months.
That is the agreement, Your Honor. If
All
the
right.
court gives her credit for the 92-day inpatient rehab that she completed successfully.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right, the court is going to grant the motion, revoke, find you guilty, sentence you to 16 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Credit for any time served for successful, I'm sorry, state, you may be excused, successful completion of inpatient treatment. There's to be no residing in households with minors. And no unsupervised contact with minors. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
Okay.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
And I also recommend the therapeutic community.
Thank you.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. If you don't change your life, one or two things going to happen. Either you're going to end up in and out of prison, in and out of jail, or either somebody's going to have to identify your body. When you are released, you need to go to someone's inpatient treatment. And what I can tell you about felony drug court, even when people are removed from the program because they didn't successfully complete it, or even when they do successfully complete it, they're always there for you. People in the program, you can come back 10 years later and say, hey, let me tell you what's going on with my life. They will still be there to help you. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's next?
Have a seat, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Anyone ready?
No, ma'am, we do not have anybody ready.
Okay.
Yes, I did. I know. How are you?
Your Honor,
Yeah.
Mr. Morris, it's a matter
Yes.
the court is ready. No, he's on, I think he's on Zoom.
Okay.
That one for the early term requests.
Oh, he's not on Zoom anymore.
He's on Zoom, okay.
So, but what's going on with that?
Yes, Judge, speaking with him, he wanted me to ask the court on his behalf to consider the early termination. As he's done the Hunter Community Service hours, the classes, all that documentation's been sent to Bear County. Having done 15 and a half months of the 18-month probationary term, everything's satisfied.
Does he have because he was telling me that there were certain things that he was doing through the VA currently, and that he is, I guess, a peer leader or something. Can you get proof of that, or?
I can get that, Judge, would the court entertain, I just need some time to get it because he doesn't put this stuff to send to me.
Yeah, just
readily.
let me know.
But maybe like a week time frame, I can get with Norma for date to recall this back.
Yes.
Okay.
And then if you have that, because the states, they voiced their concerns that they want to make sure that he's still in treatment. And you can speak to Attorney Galloway and see what their concerns are. And then if those concerns are addressed, then we'll
Definitely.
move forward.
We'll do, I think we'd be more so on the same page when I get that documentation, but it shouldn't be too long for me to get that so that we can show something solid to the court in terms of his mental health treatment.
And if you want to reach out to Herman, they may, since it's the VA, maybe they can help you get it sooner or something.
That's a great idea. Thank you, Judge.
Okay. All right, thank you.
I mean, not like go This was in that anyways. Next week, I'm coming back.
Counsel,
My name is-
Gibbons.
5 and 13. I'm sorry. I'm looking for Ethan Mickey Martinez. I'm looking at it right here. Yeah, page 3. Angela Williams. That's the last one.
Yes.
I believe Norma talked about that at the end of last week. This is a young man you put on GPS.
Yes.
So that's just the motion that goes with that shows.
It was sent to me electronically and I signed it,
Okay.
but I'll sign it.
If you already signed it, if you signed it electronically, okay.
Okay, well, sometimes they get lost in the system,
Fair
but I'll
enough.
re-sign it.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Sign up loose ends. Thank you very much.
Sure. Oh, mom is doing great.
Mr. Rocha.
Yeah.
Mr. Rocha.
Hello.
Hey, how are you doing?
How are you doing? I remember you. How's life treating you?
It's been really good recently. Yeah. I just wanted to come in and stop and say hi. I'm here for my partner just to give some moral support.
So,
I figured I'd stop in here and say hi to you.
oh, that is so great. I'm glad everything's going well for you.
It is. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You too. All right, who's next?
I have an Ethan Martinez, page 3, 4 down, Judge.
Ethan Martinez.
May we approach, Judge?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi, you were late for court. Court is at 9. So, and you've been here on March, so you know where court is. No chewing of gum. All right. So, let me see here. So where are we on discovery?
Judge, the state has ordered the litigation packet for the testing of the substances, and
Okay.
we have not received it yet. And so I think,
Yes, Judge, I followed up, I believe it was on Wednesday of last week, and the lab told me they're about 60 days out, so we've been about 30, so we're halfway to the estimated time.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for the beginning of June for final discovery.
I can do June 8th.
All right, we'll be back on June 8th, and you need to make sure you're on time. All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you. Who's next?
Yes, ma'am. I have Angela Williams on page 4 at the bottom.
Angela Williams.
Judge, we're present.
Yes.
Ms. Williams is here. The VA has requested just 3 days to reach out to the complainant victim.
Just so you're aware, we did make a prior attempt. The number that we have is bad. So I understand she's in custody and that's why I'm just asking until Thursday to reach out to him so that I can make an offer.
Okay. All right. Norma, if you'll recall this back for Thursday.
For Thursday, yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. We'll see you back on April 30th.
We need to reset her April 30th.
All right, who's next?
Yes. Yes. I have Ismael Salazar, page 5 at the bottom.
Jose Salazar. All right, in each of these cases. Today's plea deadline date.
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
The state has extended an offer of 15 TDC. We are not
Oh,
accepting.
no. I don't need to know what the offer is.
Okay.
All right, so, you're asking for a jury trial?
No. We're gonna,
I mean, if you're rejecting an offer, then the next step is jury trial.
we're not, that's correct, Judge. We're not accepting the offer and we're asking for a jury trial setting.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. I need a jury trial setting for this case in June.
With regard to the jury trial setting, Judge, I was asking for, hoping to get one more reset. There are 48 videos, dash cam and body cam videos that need more time to review. And I was hoping to get at least one more setting before a jury trial setting.
All right, Ms. Ferguson.
Yes, sir.
Set this for jury trial late June, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
I can do June 23rd.
All right, June 23rd is your jury trial date.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Maybe excused.
Once he signs the reset form.
Okay.
Thank you. I do have I don't know if they're asking for this set. It's an NCR, let me just stamp it for you guys. real quick. And it'll be on Thompson 9 at the bottom. Louis Thompson.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. All right, council, are you all ready to proceed on this motion?
Ready, Your Honor.
Yes, we are, Your Honor. Can I say something?
Wait,
Oh, just give us a moment.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sorry.
Court is calling 2022 CR 0273 State versus Louis Thompson. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Benny Callahan defense.
And are you Mr. Thompson?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Louis Fletcher Thompson who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 0273 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on February 10th, 2022 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, a violation of condition number 48 on or about the 16th day of January 2026 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Louis Fletcher Thompson, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bear County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum of Care Treatment Plan, and that the defendant failed to participate in the Safe-P Continuum of Care by not attending his outpatient intake date in violation condition number 48.
How you plead to that, true or not true?
State
State.
will waive the other violation, Your Honor.
Any objection to the waiver?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition 48, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 48?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 48 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There's not, Your Honor. Both sides are going to go open to the court with our recommendations.
All right, what are you asking for?
I'm asking Your Honor that Your Honor find him guilty, revoke his community supervision, enter the affirmative finding of deadly weapon, and sentence the defendant to 5 years TDC.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Bearing in mind that he's got some mental health issues that are permanent and not his own volition, I asked the court to follow the recommendations made by the probation officer and give him a third chance. He wants to tell you that he was attempting to obey the terms of probation and was partially successful, but not 100% successful. I think he wants to talk to the court himself.
All right, Jonah, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Louis Thompson.
Yes, and what do you wish to tell me?
Yes, I poured in at least 4 or 5 months, and I tried this time. I promise I did. I did not want to let myself down or you down.
All right, so I don't understand what you tried mean.
No, what I'm saying, I poured in like at least 4 or 5 months, and then I got homeless again because my ex-wife never came home that day. She got killed, including my kids. And it's true.
Wait, you're saying your ex-wife and your children were killed
Yes, including my sister.
while you're on probation?
Yes,
So your ex-wife, your children, and your sister were killed.
including my nieces.
All right, your nieces, your
Yes.
ex-wife, your sister, and your children.
Yes.
All right, then let's do this. That should be easy to verify. If you will give the names to
No, I
your
do.
counsel and we'll Google.
Please.
All right. So just have a seat and we'll see what's going on with that.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Who's next? I'll move on. Page 10, Wanda. All right, Alejandra. Amazon. Good morning. All right, are y'all ready on the motion to revoke?
No, Judge.
Could I see the motion to revoke, please? Oh, no, I got it. All right, yes.
Judge, I've spoken with Ms. Espinosa, state's attorney, and we agreed that she would not oppose me resetting this the next week for a contested hearing. I'd like to bring her family in to kind of create a different picture than court may see if they're just looking at the
So
file.
is she planning on entering a plea of true or not true?
Most likely true, Judge.
All right, so if she's gonna enter a plea of truth, then I'll take her pleas of true and then we can recall it for you to bring the family members in. But if she's planning on pleading not true, then that means that probation needs to know, probation needs to have somebody brought down. And they need to know if this is gonna be a true contested or not. So if she wants to enter a plea of true today, I'll take her plea of true today.
Judge, can I consult?
Sure.
Judge, can we be excused for just a second?
Sure.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's next?
Yes, ma'am, I have a Roberto Monreal, page 1, 6 down. For Lisa.
Roberto Monreal. Hello.
Good morning,
Good
Judge.
morning. Hi, your plea deadline date is June 8th.
Okay, Judge, thank
All right,
you.
thank you.
We also have a motion to amend conditions of bond, Judge. We have been on this, I think, at least one setting, and you wanted more details on it, so we provided all the details. I left the order blank for the date, and we're asking for him to go on Wednesday for that interview. And then the interview times is from 9 to 4, but you would have to go in person.
State, do you have any objection to him going out in an interview? She's saying
Just review-
Wednesday.
Can I have like 5 minutes? to
Sure.
review this?
She's saying Wednesday from 9 to 4.
Okay, so that's why you want me to, okay, class act, just, I'll just go and confirm it. She was kind of inclined to Kristen, just not Kristen. Perhaps. Okay, I'll just kind of reiterate. Got it. Judge, so I think last time we were here, state was opposed.
Yes.
Just because there will
They
be
took-
subsequent motions based on outcome of this, so we're still opposed to it, this time, Judge.
All right, and you're saying the 29th?
Yes, Your Honor. This Wednesday, yes, the 29th, and the hours are 9 AM to 4 PM.
All right, I'll allow you to do that from 9 AM to 4 PM, and that's the only place you can stop. Do you understand?
Sure.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Just one moment. Who's next?
Yes, I have, Amazon would like to be a.
Amazon? Mr. Wood?
I'm here, Judge.
Oh.
She should be right up, Judge.
So what are we gonna do, council? Yes, council?
We're gonna play a tree.
All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 7545 State versus Alejandra Almazan.
Yes,
Could I have the parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Ted Wood representing Ms. Almasan.
And are you Miss Almazan?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Alejandra Almazan who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 7545 for the offense of driving while intoxicated third or more on October 24th, 2022 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
State?
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 26th day of January 2026 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Alejandra Cherie Almazan committed the offense of driving while intoxicated in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
State will waive the remaining allegation.
Any objection?
Okay.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 years in the prison?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, sir.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true, and counsel is asking that sentencing take place on a different date.
Yes, Judge.
How much time are you requesting?
A week?
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 1-week reset for this case, please.
I can do the fourth, May 4th.
May 4th?
What day is that?
It's a Monday.
Yeah, Monday, good. Monday,
All
good,
right,
Judge.
so we'll bring you back on May 4th for the court to enter its ruling, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. Is
You're
that
welcome.
excuse, Judge?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have you?
Who's next?
Layla, page 4, I think it's like 2, 3, and 4.
Layla Vasquez.
Hi, Judge, he was a no-show this morning. Issue is, Judge, I had her on the docket for today and I also had her for Thursday. So I don't know if there was a miscommunication between her. I spoke with Norma this morning. Apparently she bonded out. I didn't know she was on bond.
Okay. All right, Deputy, could you make an announcement for Layla Marie Vasquez? Oh, have you had a chance to contact her bondsman?
I haven't. I didn't know she was on bond until I showed up this
You
morning.
want to see if you can contact her bondsman?
I can try.
All right, if you want to do that, and then we'll take it up, or either I can hear it now.
Let me see if I can, I don't know who the bondsman is. Let me try to find out who.
All right, sure. Is she out there?
Oh, you're out there.
All right, he's gonna see if her bondsman can get in touch with her. All right, who's next? Anyone here who's ready? Yeah, signed in.
I'm gonna take my clipboard.
Okay.
I can approach Judge. I signed in on a brief reset.
Yeah, who's your person?
Rafael Rodriguez, Judge.
Rafael Rodriguez.
Thank you.
And counsel, you're on this side.
Oh.
That's okay.
This is Rafael Rodriguez.
Okay, thank you. Well, it says that Arnulfo Ortiz has been hired.
I don't know about a hiring judge. Maybe that was appointed. However, he was.
Yes, he did. And this is your new attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
They haven't changed this on the document.
Okay, well, he's actually consulting with this judge. He's gonna come and make a cash payment today in our office at Barton and Associates. So I was just gonna see if I get him a reset so we could get on the case, and get everything entered.
Norma. State. On this case, was this a PTD or no, or he wants jury trial? What is? He's on page 2.
What's the defendant's name, Judge?
It's Rafael Rodriguez.
Okay, let me double check.
This is coded for different unit, so if that's okay if I just.
Oh, this will just be recalled then to Thursday.
Okay, so I'm not sure where they were.
Okay. All right, Norma, recall this for Thursday,
Different.
and you all need to file your notice of retained counsel by then.
Will be first, thank you. Any view excuse?
Once he signs the reset
Oh,
form.
sorry about that.
All right, thank you. Who's next?
Yes, ma'am, I have a Charles Fleming, page 1-4 down.
Fleming. Charles Fleming? Yes. Where's Mr. Fleming?
I don't know, I have him on the docket, but I don't know probation.
Charles Edward Fleming.
He should be in custody.
All right, okay. Has he been brought up?
No, Judge.
All right, so we're not ready. Thank you.
There's another one from Mr. Control. I don't know if you have Brad Wattis out yet either. And those are the only two I have signed in at this time.
All right, and have you all Googled? Anybody else ready on another case?
Brad Wattis for Mr. Control as well. I don't know if he's out here yet or not.
Judge, he's not in custody.
Okay.
So, he's been here every other time. I don't.
Brad Warris.
He's out here, Judge.
There he is.
He ended up posting bond last week, but it was not in the system till this morning.
All right, come on out, come on up.
Yes, so.
All right. Today's plea deadline date.
Let us confer, Judge. I didn't
All
know that he had picked up a new offense.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Anyone else ready?
I do not have anybody else signed in, Judge.
Okay.
Yes, of course.
I recall last time, let's see. So, I didn't know, but I did check with the two prosecutors to see where we were at. I assumed to give them PR now.
You're not indicted, but you are.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, no, but. Thank you, ma'am.
Whenever you're ready, Judge.
Yes.
I have Eddie Daisy, page 3 down for Mr. Bond.
Daisy?
Are you ready to go up? Whoever's coming up with us. Leave it up to you. Okay.
All right, counsel, you had the discovery on the PF case?
Judge, that's the issue. There's still some outstanding ballistics. I know they were outstanding at the last setting and they're still outstanding.
And as the court or as the intake prosecutor is going through more into the case, Your Honor, it does look like we're missing some supplemental reports and body cam from officers. So we're still in the process of trying to get everything together so that it can be indicted with everything.
Are you gonna talk to the defense before this is indicted?
I apologize, Your Honor.
You said that y'all are looking to get ballistics and body cam. You said so it could be ready for indictment. My question is, are you gonna talk to the defense before you indict this?
Yes, defense and I are.
We have been talking.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, set this for the end of June for discovery. That'll be final discovery.
Judge, can I tender to the court? I also have this. I leave the 20, I leave on the 29th. We do a couple of days before that?
Sure.
Sure, 23rd is fine. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, so his GPS monitor, is it partial? What is it?
Mr. Dacey, what are your current conditions on your monitor? What are you allowed to do?
And so is it full GPS?
Yes.
Yes,
But
Your Honor.
can I inquire?
Sure.
Mr. Dacey, I've been informed that the monitor is causing you some medical difficulties. Can you explain to the court the medical difficulties you're?
Just 1 second. We're gonna go on the record in 2025 CR 014342 and 25 PF 33466 State versus Eddie Lee Dacey. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Ashley Jones for the state.
Charles Bont for Mr. Dacey.
And are you Mr. Dacey? All right.
Pretty hard of hearing, Judge, so.
Okay, all right, and Mr. Dacey, your attorney is asking, it appears to be for removal of GPS?
Yes, removal, Judge, that's what I'm asking for.
All right, and I believe you were calling your client as a witness with
Yes,
regards to
yes.
GPS. Could you raise your right hand? If you raise your right hand, do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Eddie L. Dacey.
All right,
Mr. Dacey, are you currently wearing some type of GPS monitor?
Yes,
How long have you had it on?
6 months.
Okay, now, I understand it's causing you some medical difficulties. Can you tell the court about that?
Yes, I have heart problem, which is why I have to wear this monitor, and my body swells daily, so at the end of the day, it can't more hard to fit. It's a lot of problems. Like I have to hurry up and get home today so I can make sure I get my boots on.
okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Any questions?
Not from the state, Your Honor.
All right,
I would just point out, he's got the monitors on for this. He's on it for both of the cases, but obviously the primary reason is the unindicted case. And the fact that it's still unindicted after 6 months. I think I'm hoping that's something the court can also consider when considering our motion. And you've had Mr. Dacey before you, he has a cane. He's voiced his health concerns to you in the past. So I'm asking if you would consider removing the monitor. He can report by phone weekly to pretrial and can do whatever you need him to do to satisfy any concerns the court may have.
all right, let's do this.
And Your Honor,
There are some numbers to call to see and ask them, and I think probation has other numbers too. There is GPS that can be done by mobile app. Does he have a phone?
Do you have a cell phone, sir?
All right, so if you can call those numbers and check into maybe him having GPS by mobile. And I asked several questions with regards to the GPS when I was at a conference. Cause I'm like, maybe somebody can give their phone to somebody else. They're like, nope. I'm like, well, maybe this could happen. They're like, nope. So with the GPS by phone, you can still track somebody.
Sure.
And then they have check-ins that they do
Yes, sir.
where
Yes,
you
Judge.
have to do your photo and everything.
Okay.
And again, I asked, but somebody could just take a photo and just upload. They're like, nope, can't be done. So I know I gave information to Miss Abrams about those programs with the GPS tracker, but I know that,
I'll look into it.
yeah, but I know that probation doesn't do that. But I think I gave her the information and I may have some more information. I'll look
All right,
into it.
thank you. I'll follow up on that. Thank you.
So on this, if you all will see if you can get some information on cell phone tracker,
Yes, Judge.
and then they have free ones too.
Okay, I'm on it.
So then I'll take that up.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, Judge, I was frustrated with Axon. It wasn't working.
Yeah.
The state did just want to note their objection based on the criminal history, the facts, and the fact that he has 2 open felonies, one of which is a first degree.
All righty. So I wish the state would get their discovery. All right, thank you.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a seat. We're right with you.
All right, who's next?
I believe they're ready to approach on Thompson, Louis, page
Thompson?
9 at the bottom.
Yes. All right, we're back on the record in 2022 CR 0273 State versus Louis Thompson.
Google search of all names didn't reveal any murders of those people within the age range I was told.
All right, so I'm being told that there's no,
I don't remember the age, but it's true.
well, I mean, there's nothing on the system that said that these people are dead.
So the guy that was home is coming there.
I'm sorry, what?
They told me that, man. I'm not playing, but it's true.
Who told you that?
Well, cause after I got homeless, my ex-wife never came home that day.
So who told you she was dead?
The police, cause I'm telling you, it's true, cause I called I called them and told them that she never came home, or my 2 of my daughters.
And so
So
are
I'm
you
just don't-
assuming they're dead or you know they're dead?
Well, I'm going by what they told me, I'm assuming.
Well, you're saying that the police told you they were dead?
Yeah, no, I did a missing,
Person?
yeah.
So your ex-wife is missing.
And two of my son, 2 of my daughters, and my sister is nothing, I can't get a hold of her. You know why? Cause y'all don't let me, cause I can't talk to her till I get off probation. So I don't know, cause I mean. I
All
just
right,
don't know.
defense, do you want to obtain an investigator to see if these people are, as he said, have been murdered?
Please do, please.
Your Honor, not understanding how that would affect your decision to revoke or not revoke.
I mean, he's, according to this, according to what he's pled true to, which is 48, it's saying that he didn't attend outpatient intake day. And I am thinking, and maybe I'm wrong in making this assumption, that if you have a date for outpatient treatment, intake date, and if your ex-wife is murdered, your children are murdered, your niece is murdered, your sister is murdered, that may impact someone's ability to make their outtake appointment. But if both parties want to go forward, we can go forward. But I'm telling you, if all of these people have been murdered, I can understand why he would miss his intake appointment. And I think, State, would you understand?
I would understand. I just, for the record, couldn't find anything to support these allegations.
So I don't know if you want to have an investigator to look and see if these people are deceased or not. If you all want to go forward, then I'll hear. But I mean, I'm not going to take this as true.
Let's see.
I want her to minister to us.
Mr. Thompson requests that you make a decision now.
All right. Then, Mr. Thompson, what has been presented to the court is there is no evidence that any of these people are deceased.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so the court,
But I do need help. 'Cause I do want to find
no,
out.
no, you're moving from one point to the next point.
Yes, ma'am.
Where I'm at is you said that all of these people are deceased.
Yes, ma'am.
The state has informed the court they're not able to find any records through a Google search that any of these people are deceased. So therefore,
So they're not.
you're saying that these people are deceased? I don't believe it.
Yes, ma'am. So I'm sorry, do me a choice.
I mean, if you want, I will make sure that your attorney has an investigator to see whether or not these people are deceased or not. Otherwise, if you want to go for it, we can go for it. And I will, as previously stated, I found violation of condition number 48 true. And what I'm going to tell you, based upon testimony that I received, unless these people are deceased, there is no excuse for not meeting your intake appointment. So do y'all wish to go forward?
Go forward, Your Honor.
All right, I need a trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Yeah. All right, state, as previously stated, the court is finding the violation true. State, what are you requesting?
Revoke, find guilty, affirmative finding a deadly weapon in 5 years TDC.
All right, and defense, what are you requesting?
Recommendation by the probation office of continuation of mental health supervision on this man.
Oh. All right, off the record for a moment. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty, grant the state's motion, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding. Rights to appeal with your attorney. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication, because this is a felony conviction. You're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Did he have any inpatient treatment?
Yes, Judge.
All right. And there will also be credit for any time served for a successful inpatient completion of programs. All right, so anytime that you were in custody or an inpatient facility, you'll receive credit for that as well. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Who's next?
Yes, ma'am, I have Charles Fleming,
Charles Fleming.
page 1, down.
Judge, he was found competent recently, but we worked out the deal where we'll go forward on his MTR today.
Okay. All right, court is calling 2025 CR 003-823, State versus Charles Edward Fleming III. Can I have parties announced?
Cassandra Rosales for the state.
Anthony Cantrell, the defendant.
And are you Mr. Fleming?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Charles Edward Fleming who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 003-823 for the offense of obstruction or retaliation on June 3rd, 2025 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
We're here on a violation of condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Charles Edward Fleming, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July and August 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The proposed agreement is to deny the motion to revoke, but amend his conditions to include a psychological evaluation and DDRF.
And the psychological has been done. This is an older one.
Okay. All right, Ms. Abrams,
Yes, Judge.
are you all recommending DDRF?
That is what's listed on the court summary, Judge, yes.
And how long is that?
15 to 20 week wait, and it's going to be 120 to 180 days.
All right. Court is going to deny the motion, alternate amend conditions to include a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. And probation, is he able to, through Center for Healthcare Services, get a case manager? Yes.
See, I'm not from Texas, I come here to marry my house, and it's true, I didn't report, but I didn't know the topography of the map.
So where do you live?
Well, I'm gonna go to 442 Glen Elm.
I'm sorry, where?
I was gonna go to 442 Glen Elm Drive.
No. I'm so sorry. That's my fault. When I say where you live, I mean what county?
Oh, I live in, I come out from out of state to buy a house, but I come from Missouri to Dallas, but I come down here to buy a
No.
house.
I want you to listen to me carefully. And I'm going to be more direct, right? No. It's not your fault.
I just didn't know how to get to the.
No. Here's the thing. It's not your fault. It's my fault because I didn't ask you a direct question. So let me do it directly. Do you plan on staying in Bear County or do you wish to reside somewhere else?
I want to stay here.
All right, you want to stay in Bear County. Do you have any support systems here?
Yes.
All right. And what's up with all the tattoos on your arm? Does that mean anything?
Yeah, it says loyalty and restricts. It's like coding in Russian. I do computer work.
Okay. All right. So have you ever been seen by someone at the Center for Healthcare Services?
No, ma'am.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'll deny the motion, alternate amend conditions. You're going to be referred to First Center for Healthcare Services. The reason why I'm doing it is because it's a 180-day wait for DDRF. You need to make sure that you make all these appointments. They will be able to have a case manager for you to help you keep keep up with your appointments. If you don't do that, what's gonna end up happening is I'm gonna receive another motion to revoke. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you can either do that, or I can grant the motion and I'll sentence you to 2 years in prison. So do you want to go forward with continue or be revoked?
I want to continue.
All right, so Ms. Abrams. If, we'll deny the motion, alternate demand conditions, referral to Center for Healthcare Services, and see if he can get a case manager with them.
And Judge may also add the mental health insurance.
All right, and the mental health initiative, and there's to be no possession of firearms. And do you live by yourself or with someone? All right, any children in the household? All right, so no residing in households with minors. And no unsupervised contact with minors.
Okay, so that means I'm getting back out?
Yes, you'll be out, but you gotta make sure you make all your appointments.
I will. I already got a ride set, so just in case I got out.
All right, and if there's something that you don't understand, let probation know about it. If you are confused, is this my appointment? Is this not my appointment? Let probation know about it.
I do have a question. How do I do my community hour services?
I'm sorry, what?
Because I got 3 years deferred education, 120 hours community service. How do I do my community service?
If you'll talk to probation about it, they'll tell you where you're allowed to do your community service.
And who's my probation officer?
They will let you know today.
Okay,
All right?
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, who's next?
It is, West Breeze on page 6, 5 down.
All right, let me ask you this. Why was Charles Fleming, why was this listed on page 1 and this is a,
Yeah, that was my fault.
oh, okay.
It was not complicated.
All right. I just wanted to be sure that we were not missing anything.
Judge, I have a announcement on
Yes.
Juarez, if I could just do that one.
All right, let me find what page he's on.
Are you for Brad Carter's?
Yes.
Yes,
It's on page.
3.
3 in the bottom. Yeah.
thank you. All right, Mr. Juarez. All right. Yes, plea deadline date.
Judge, we'd like to set this for jury trial.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date.
Yes, ma'am.
If you can put it the first week in July.
First week. I can do July 7th.
Can we do the second week by chance?
Just 1 second, let me see something. Can we do it June 29th?
Judge, I'm gonna be out of state for the 4th of July weekend.
Okay. So what date are you asking?
Like the week of July 13th.
Do we have the week of July 13th open?
Yes, ma'am, July 14th.
All right, July 14th.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You all need to take a seat at the back.
Or if take up the court's time.
Oh, no, you're not taking up the court's time. This is what I'm paid for. All right, who else do we have?
Yes, ma'am, we have a couple of pieces, the clerk is working on. I have Valdez, Michael. Oh, did you do Reese, Judge? I don't think that was, Charles's.
All right, what page is that on?
He's on page 6, 5 down.
2 resets.
West
Put them
Ruiz.
on the same line. Cheated.
All right, hello. Hello. So where are we on discovery?
We're good on discovery, Judge. We're actively filling out a pretrial diversion application.
Okay, all right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a PTD date. May 28th? No,
No, next the week after that.
put him on the same date as his other client. Which are the client's date?
June 8th, okay, June 8th, perfect.
All right, June 8th. All right,
Let's
make
see.
sure you follow through on everything. All right, who else do you have?
Boona Taylor, Taylor.
All right, Buna Taylor.
Thank you. Can you sit Taylor on the same date?
All right, so what is happening with this case?
We just got some body worn cameras and Coban that we're reviewing. I'd like one more discovery date. So we can resolve this matter.
All right, final discovery is gonna be June 8th, and state at that time you need to be prepared to tender an offer.
Yes, Judge.
I think you
All right, thank you.
have a seat.
Michael Balderas. Good morning.
Can you come up?
Yes.
I'm helping Tony Hernandez on this case.
Okay. All right, who's next?
Judge, we're just waiting. There's a couple of things that the clerk is working on, Judge.
All righty, we're recessing at noon and everybody will have to come back in the afternoon. Oh, did Charles Funk leave?
He's right there, Judge. He's here.
Oh, Charles, you have Armando Dela Cruz?
Missed that one on my
Yeah, it's
calendar.
on page
I'll work
7.
on it right now.
Armando Montana Dela Cruz? They didn't appear. You may want to see about that.
Let me see what I can find out.
Dela Cruz? I was just letting the bailiff. Margaret Dela Cruz?
No, Armando.
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
Got one more for you. Thank you. Armando De La Cruz, okay?
He's good.
Marcelo.
Okay. They say that it's gonna take billions of dollars to build a new jail. So they're saying that you can either pay billions of dollars to build a new jail, or you can end up continuing to pay 10 million, 10 million, 20 million.
That jail is falling apart by itself. You're thinking that to her, Judge.
This is what I suggest.
What do you suggest, Judge?
One, anytime you're building a government office, how about talking to the people who work there before you build it, instead of just getting people who've never worked at a jail so they can tell you what's needed. Number two, it may be expensive, but it would cut down on the overtime if you had enough room at a jail where people could have individual cells instead of crowding people together, because then that would cut down on walking through, making sure everyone is behaving. It's sort of like at the courthouse. You have someone who tells you they can build a new courthouse and it's $30 million, and you come to me and I say I can build it for 2 million, you should probably go with the 30 million person. But people always want to cut corners, and then when you cut corners, that's when stuff falls apart. Do you know when they first built this courthouse, I think somebody was majorly injured, or either somebody died because one of the walls fell down on them. This was during the building of it. But this is where we are.
Frank.
Yes, please. No, it's not. First, every second for getting an offer on the new
Then what? What is it? It's gonna be 10.
Appreciate that.
Andrea Macedo?
She's not up yet, Judge. She's on her way up.
Yes.
Good morning, Judge. This was going to be a contested hearing, but has since been indicted on a new case, so we may have a plea date. We're gonna enter into a plea that will universally accomplish everything, resolve everything.
Ms. Ferguson. We call this for a contested hearing in 20 days.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. What date?
I can do let's do May 14th.
All right, that's your contested hearing, May 14th.
I do appreciate it, Judge. Thank you.
Welcome. All right, who's next?
I'm still working on some pleas, Judge. I've got 3 pleas and for Panthers.
All right, so let me see. All 3 of those pleas are not going to be taken because it is 11:44.
Yeah, there's two there. That's all.
That's all I need.
Okay.
Beautiful, thank you. Waste this in case you haven't eaten at some point.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this.
All right, everyone, I'll see you.